Okay, vamos a terminar esto. Okay, let's finish this. I will put this on here, like here. And if you're wondering if I took a bath, yes, I took a bath. The thing is that I have like two of these kind of shirts from the ones that follow me on Instagram. I have just upload a video talking about my sisters. But that's something that is protected. That's private. Okay, let's go. Now we're gonna see how I'm going to solve this problem. To be honest, this problem is very, 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 very common, especially for the PHP developers. So I could even just copy the error itself, and I will get the answer. You will see. Um, Look, let me see if the code, yeah, the code it's open. What is missing is just the SAMP uh, control panel. And let me see. There we go. Okay, this is the sample array and this is the error. Okay, what they are suggesting me to do is to use print R. But the thing is that I don't want to print R. Uh, the best solution is this one that it says implode, and that's the one that I was using, to be honest. But I don't see it here. Oh yes, yes. This is how I should use it. I have to put echo and then it will implode and then this here. Okay, so let's make that. Let's make that. And that will solve my error here. And the error is being pulled, I mean, it's being shown on the line. Let me see, it's here says the line 995. So line 95 is this one. Okay. Look, what I'm going to do is just to let me see, implode. Yes, yes, that's what I want to do. Um, a string with string result, solve it. No, with replace. Uh, the replace here is like the explode. So now we're gonna use the implode, and the implode is just this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this here. I'm gonna change this, and I'm going to change also this part here, and that's it. At the end, let me see something that I am missing. Uh, as you can see here, it brings out the result. No, but this is a for each. Yes, and it brings out the result. But what I want is not like a comma here. What I want is nothing, to be honest. I just want to convert that array to an string. And with the implode, I will be able to do it. So, and that's it. Let's check it. Array the string conversion, implode argument 2, array must be of type array, a string given. Okay, it says that it is a string. So it is a string that it is being triggered there. So what I'm going to do is just to comment this out and I will change this. Okay, I will save here. And there we go. We're closer now. I write the string convention on line 95. Where is the line 95? Okay, let me see. Okay, this is another error. Um, I mean, let's just let's just see what does this brings up. Okay, I will make a bar dump here, and I will put here an exit. And that's it. See, and this is what it brings out. It brings out this part, and at the end it says array. I don't know why. It shouldn't say array at the end. So I am going to make another explode, and I'm going to change that part that says array, um, and I'm going to change it to be nothing. And let's see now. Array the string conversion in line 95. Now it says array. That's interesting. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Actually, this is very, very weird. So I am going to put just echo. Okay, array. Why? That is my question. Why? I mean, why it is working like that? Let me just put this here. Uh, that is that is correct. So I think that only the user image should be enough. If I put here user image, that should be enough. And it is. And if I update the website, also the image is still there. So that was what I wanted. That was everything. You see that I haven't I need to throw myself from another from a building or something. So let's now input a width and a height that will be like fixed here. For example, it can be I don't know, like 150, something like that. And I have to erase the image of the camera. If I want to change again that image, it will be like uh, useful to make um, an overflow uh, how it is called overflow uh, effect when you pass the mouse over the image. And that's it. What I'm going to do now is just I'm going to let me see. When I change the image here, also if this is added, I will put this. I will put this camera overlay it. I will put it visibility none. And let's see. Okay, actually it is still there. camera icon. This is the camera icon. It is hidden that I need to put, but it's still there because it is working on the after selector. So what I'm going to do then is just to, let me see, to erase the background, okay? I'm going to put here background none, background none, and I will say import. Why I am putting that on there? Because the image is added. If the image is added, I don't want that to be shown. Um, and it is still there. Let me see. I was missing the R here. Background. Okay, to be honest, what I'm going to do is just to then I'm going to make a modification of the style here. How is that possible? Well, it is easy. I am going to like closed, sorry, I will close here the PHP and I will open it again on here. And I will put here, like, for example, if session, if it set, sorry, if it set session image, okay, image added. Now I am just I just need to session image add. I just need to write down the code of the style. How I can do that? Well, it is easy. I am going to make a style like this, and after that, I will go ahead and take this selector, and I will go and on here on the background, I will rewrite it. I will put something like this, and I will say none important, and that's it. Style. Let me see if it is added actually. Let me update with the cache, and if it doesn't work like that, I will check. Give me a second. I have to open the door here. Okay, let's check here if the style is being added, because that style that I added on a different place. I mean, I added directly on the file, and to add a style like that, you have to use the style notation correctly. Style on an HTML file. For example, let's see. It is simple. To be honest, it is very, very simple, but I'm just confirming something. I mean, I need to confirm something because maybe I am missing something. As I told you before, I don't know everything. Um, okay, and this is exactly as I was writing it. Style and style. Okay. But the problem apparently is that that style is not being recognized. Why is not being recognized? Maybe it's because of the way that I print out that, I can print out that like this way. And that's another way of making it. And that, as you can see, it worked. And actually, that's the best way of making it. But also, I have something else to do. I have to hide this part here that says non-file selector. So let's go here, and this input type file, it had uh, an style before, but now it doesn't have it. But what I'm going to do is just to select here. Okay, I'm going to copy selector, and the selector is this, but I don't want this part here. I just need this, and I will go here and I will put display none, and that's it. Let me update with the cache. To be honest, I don't know why it didn't work. Class list, file selector. Apparently this on here is no more on the website. Yes, it is not there. That's interesting. I'm going to just change that. It is on line 100, 196, 96. Yes, 196. You can control P, and then you write that double dots, and you put 196, and it will um, throws you it will send you to the line that correspond to that, but actually it is not that line. um, Actually it is. Let's look for hidden input. Okay, this is the one. It is on the line 344. I will tell you why it doesn't have the correct line. The reason is because PHP is hidden, because PHP works on the server side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to update, and now everything is working. So I think that I can leave that website like that. If I want to change that image, I can do it. For example, I will put something like this, and that is my profile picture, and that's updated. And if I update the website, it is still there. So as you can see, it is working perfectly as I want. That was a task that was assigned by Jesus Christ. I will have a lot of them, you will see. And in some minutes, I will make maybe a challenge of code. So stay there. I will try to make that the challenge as fast as possible. And also the other things that are here are still working. For example, if I put here to help my sister Olesia in her career. Plegary. She is an amazing sister, and I hope that she gets better always and that she is happy always. Because just for her to know, because she has a very beautiful smile. That shouldn't be like said, but as it is a plegary and it is like if you're talking to a friend, you can say that to Jesus and that's okay. And that's true. She has a very beautiful smile, just like Anna Groundling and just like her brother, the brother of Alesh. So let's go because she has a very beautiful smile. And that's it. And I go here add plegary and it is added. And if I go here and I go and I see it says my plegary and it says the title and the day that it was received. I can format the date, but to be honest, that's like one of the last things that I am going to do. Do you know why? Because I can understand the date, and you can also look. It says 29 from 04. What is that 04? 04 is the month. For example, January, February, March, and April. So we are on 29th of April on 2024. And it is just what is saying there. But the problem is that PHP brings the date uh, reverse. I mean, it doesn't bring it format. I can format it, but I don't like. I'm not doing it because I want to make it with time. I want to make the date, and I want to get to bring also the hour, and I want to show it be very very tiny. And for me to do so, I have to take my time. So I that's why I left that for the last things that I am going to do. This thing of changing the image of my user is was a primary thing, and that's why I finished that like on three or 2 days. I took like the break of the weekend, but actually I did it like in 3 or 4 days more and no more because as I told you, I have done that pretty often. But um, I took I took more than usual because I am trying to make it well. I am not making a crazy thing in there. Also, you may not see it, but it has restrictions. Also, I will handle the alerts of the restrictions. For example, if I upload an image that is very, very huge, it will say something like, this image is too large to be uploaded, and that is good. Actually, it has the restriction, but it doesn't have the alert to be shown. So by the moment, I will leave it like that because we don't have to be perfectionist on everything. We have to be, as I always say, like on the flow, no going to the extremes on anything. If you are always growing and adjusting, you will grow in a way that is even like no normal at all. But at the end, you will be normal. You will stay normal. There are people that go to the streams. They they take something and they are only that thing, and they are always making the thing huger when they even don't realize that that thing has a limit, and they have they have even get to the limit more than twice, for example, and they continue on one only thing when they can even do more things. I am a person that is open to more things, and I have always been like that. That's why I can speak English, I can speak Spanish, I am learning French. I recognize my sisters, and I only two sisters. I don't have more, and I have never called sister to any other girl, other to Olesha or Leslie. Only those two. And surprisingly, they both know things that I know. Leslie knows how to play the guitar. I know how to play the guitar. Olesha is a developer. I am a developer. And Olesha is learning Spanish. And I was an English teacher. And she speaks Spanish very well. So for me, I am happy. I think that we accomplished what we wanted, and we can, go ahead. What is missing is just to load this to the website, and I will make a video about that maybe on the other week that comes uh, in some days. I mean, in the next Monday. Why? Because I have a lot of things to do for tomorrow, and I want to organize myself because I am on the university, and also I am after the legend in reward at chess.com. I am elite. I am missing like 2 or 3 levels to get the legend badge, which is not something like wow, but for me it's important. To be honest, it's very important. So I am trying to do it as I can. I am not like a fanatic at anything, but I make my best. So bye bye, and remember to read the Bible and to pray. God bless you a lot. And remember that for Jesus Christ, everything. And when I say everything, everything is possible.